Imagine a solar revolution not in China or Silicon Valley, but in the Australian outback. While the world associates solar dominance with manufacturing giants, Australia is quietly staging a $100 million coup to reclaim its energy future. Tindo Solar, the nation's sole homegrown solar panel producer, just unveiled plans for a Gigafactory, set to churn out 1.9 million panels annually by 2026. But here's the twist. This isn't just about clean energy. It's a high-stakes gamble to rebuild an entire industry from the ground up. Let's address the elephant in the room. Can a single factory producing 7,000 panels daily really power Australia's green transition? Tindo isn't new to this game. Since 2022, their 150-megawatt facility has set benchmarks for quality. Now, CEO Richard Pedersen reveals their audacious next step. We aim to launch full-scale production by mid-2025, hitting 7,000 panels daily to meet even a fraction of Australia's staggering need for 22,000 new installations every day. The implications? Hundreds of jobs, a fledgling supply chain for locally sourced materials, and a buffer against China's pricing dominance. But here's where it gets controversial. Can Australia's fledgling industry survive without heavy government subsidies and a self-sufficient raw material pipeline? And this is the part most people miss. Tindo isn't just building panels, they're engineering resilience. Enter the Walara Series, Australia's first N-type bifacial solar panels. These dual-sided marvels, like the 425W G3P model, boast 21.8% efficiency and rugged features. Heat-resistant 108-cell arrays, anti-reflective double glass, and frames built to withstand cyclones and scorching heat. Pedersen calls it a leap forward for Australian solar tech, designed explicitly for harsh local conditions. But let's pause. Is cutting-edge hardware enough to sway consumers accustomed to cheaper imports? Now, the billion-dollar question. Can Australia actually birth a solar industry from scratch? Pedersen argues their Gigafactory could spark a sustainable industrial chain, luring investments into local glass, electronics, and raw material production. Success could mean cheaper energy, reduced import reliance, and geopolitical insulation. But critics might ask, why pour resources into local manufacturing when global panels are cheaper? After all, even the U.S. struggles with this balance, despite breakthroughs like its artificial sun fusion project. So what's at stake? A blueprint for energy sovereignty, or a cautionary tale of ambition outpacing reality? What do you think? Should nations prioritize local green manufacturing, even at higher costs? Or is global collaboration the smarter